these are cooling towers. They are made from fiberglass. So these are the lines, you know, going in the building, and there's a chain connected together. So you have 4 on one side, 4 on the other side. And an inspection. It's leaking. Those are the lines coming from inside, and it's going to the top, and it's trickling down, spraying the air going through the bottom section for that fan in the middle, and it's cooling down the water, and the cool water is going back on the inside of the machines and circulating back. So these are fiberglass cooling towers.